So the core 4 traffic channels, okay? So what are the core 4s? So these are the core 4s, okay? So obviously there are two parts to it, okay? So it's who is going to see it, and do they know you or don't know you, okay? So first off, we'll start with warm traffic, okay? So warm traffic is people who knows you, okay? These are people that you've contacted before, maybe they're leads, maybe just like friends or family members, or people you just met along the way. But those are people that know you, and obviously it's one-to-one, okay? One-to-one private, meaning those are people that you can contact physically via mail or like call them for the telephone, but those are people that you reach out one-to-one, okay? Cold outreach, okay? Cold calls, okay? So what is that? Obviously it's one-to-one, again, you're contacting certain people, but people who don't know you, okay? Free content, okay? Posting YouTube content, TikToks, Reels, all that kind of stuff, okay? So people who knows you, okay? Those are your followings, everyone on Instagram, on Facebook, and it's one-to-many, okay? One-to-public. Because obviously you post one and a lot of people can see that, okay? And run paid ads, okay? The fourth one, I know most of you want to skip to that part. So this is people who don't know you, and it's also one-to-many, okay? So these are the core 4, and this is what's going to be our guidelines for this week, okay, for the traffic accelerator. So position your school classroom as the ultimate lead magnet, okay, because your school classroom is the way we get leads, okay? This is the value that we're going to provide in order to get people into our community. So, okay. Your classroom is the perfect lead magnet to get customers and retain them longer, okay? So you already got a school, which is the biggest benefit, because you're going to have something that most of people don't have in their courses, okay? You're going to have everything, the calls, the community, the courses, everything is going to be enrolled into one place, which helps them gain more and make it easier for them, but also you can leverage it into a lead magnet, which we already done by that point. Okay. So you give your course, your service for free, okay, which is what we did on the first module, making them warm up to you and help your audience for free, okay? Everything here we're going to give away for free, as this is our lead magnet and this is the way that people are going to come. Okay, so you solve one part of the problem and by extension introduce them to the next one. Okay, so what we do in this lead magnet is actually we give them value first, okay, and we solve them one part of the problem and then introduce them to the next one. So this is what we do in the end, meaning after we've helped them achieve their goals. So let's say you're a marketing business and you're marketing traffic for free, okay? So you're helping them run their ads for free and getting them leads. So what happens after they got leads? Well, they need to manage all the leads, right? They need to actually fulfill on their promise. So this is the next thing you can help them with. So maybe you have like a marketing management service, okay, that you can upsell to them. So this is what we need to do after, okay? So obviously we have the first one, which is the free one, and then we need to upsell them the next course or the next service or whatever, okay? This is the whole premise. So you position your paid course as the solution to the next problem they are now facing, okay? Because obviously always there's going to be a next problem, so you need to think about it, and this is actually a secret how you can always upsell, is always think what is the next problem going to be, because there is always going to be a next problem in the business. As a result of giving value, solving problems for free, you gain authority and quality, and you qualify your leads, okay, so they can buy. Making them the best prospects to buy and succeed in your paid course. So obviously after they went through your original course, they know they know how you think, they know how you operate, and obviously you also qualify them because first off they trust you more, and secondly they actually went through the process that you made them go. So they're already like halfway through on what you want them to do anyway. So this is what makes them the perfect prospects into your paid course, okay, which is what we want to introduce them to. So your school community is a value hub, okay? So this is what it is, like it's a hub for value, okay? So you actually use that to provide value as much as possible. Okay, so use your community to demonstrate value to your clients for free. Okay, so I'm still talking about the free community, okay, in the free community, also in the paid one as well. But you can use your community to drive value, meaning like make new posts that drive value, okay, make discussions, create videos, okay. You can do so much in the community. Post content regularly, showing your audience exactly what they desire, okay. So ask your audience, ask them, poll them, ask them what they want to see, and obviously deliver on that. So give until they ask, okay. So this is something that Alex Hormozi really drills down into his audience, and I want to drill down into you as well. So always think, how can I give instead of how can I ask, okay. So give until they ask for more, okay. So when they start asking you, oh, do you have like a paid course, you say, yes, I do, okay. So this is why we have to first give until they will ask, okay. So asking the community what they want to see, okay, what problems are they facing now. Your community is your way to drive value, okay. Interact with your audience and upsell them into your paid offers, as we talked about before. So rule of 100, okay, this is also something very, very powerful, and I want you to use that through the entire module and throughout the entire course, actually, and in life maybe. So what is the rule of 100? The rule of 100 is counting by 100 reps, okay, kind of like you're in the gym, okay, you're counting your reps, but now counting by 100. This will make it so powerful because the number of repetitions you will do is so much greater. And you will see that you can actually accomplish it, okay. So what does that mean? 100 reach outs a day, okay. If you're doing like warm reach out or cold reach out, which we will talk about in the future. 100 minutes of content a day, okay. When you film content, 100 minutes, $100 budget a day for 100 days, okay. So as you can see, all of these are very, very powerful. When you do 100 of something for 100 days, you can almost guarantee that you're going to be good at it, okay. Because obviously each day you get better, and after 100 days, and each you do 100 minutes of something, you'll be good at, okay. So repetition beats perfectionism, okay. So if you do something and just hammer it down, you're just going to do it very, many times, okay. You're going to just crush it. So consistency is the key to never fail again, okay. So obviously the businesses that do best are the businesses that just don't quit, okay. And this is a very famous quote by Bruce Lee, okay. I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times, okay. So obviously consistency and repetitions, okay, never forget. Yes, okay, so summary. Okay, so we've covered the 4 ways we can drive traffic to our school community, okay. Warm outreach, free content, cold outreach, and paid ads. Okay, we've covered the importance of your classroom and community to be used as the ultimate lead magnet, okay. Very, very important. And we've covered the rule of 100 and how repetitions beat perfectionism, okay. Now let's get to work.